I woke up with a sore throat, a very bad sore throat. The first thing I did was check the condition of my tongue. Slightly pale with a thin white wet coating. Let's see. What other symptoms? My feet have also been feeling really cold over the past few days, so I've been wearing my winter socks. And my nose has been dribbling and I've been feeling lethargic. Pulse is a bit weak to feel, but resting heart rate is good. I suspected I was already in excess yin since I rode a few days earlier and it was still windy and very cold. And when the stagnant dampness stays too long, it can turn into damp heat, hence the sore throat. So I made myself a gentle, slightly warm and damp eliminating tea using apples and cinnamon as key flavors. I added barley to remove the damp wind and damp heat, dried roses to move the qi and blood around my body, dried tangerine peels to regulate my qi and increase yin, cinnamon to expel the cold, honey to detoxify, and fresh apples to move toxins from the blood and build qi. You can slice or dice the apples. I'll keep the skin on as apple skins help aid with digestion and is a good source of fiber. Boil on medium heat for about 5 minutes on a stovetop safe teapot, like this one. It's got a strainer to separate the ingredients for easier cleaning, but I love watching the barley dance and it makes for better footage. Allow the tea to cool for a bit before you add a small bit of honey for taste. Serve and enjoy. Slightly warming, perfect for spring, eliminates the damp wind and cold from my body, and tastes like apple pie. The full recipe's on the blog. Happy tea making, and see you next time.